guys, so today I'm in a different location because I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup by My Hair Online. So the person who's going to be doing my hair is Mandy, so you can check her out on Instagram. Do support. Yeah, so I'm gonna be sharing like the full look from the hair to the makeup here on this channel, so do stay tuned and enjoy the video. So guys, we are going to be installing this maroon bob, which is a frontal closure. It is a grade 13 bob and you can find it on My Hair Online on Instagram. So yeah. I've never done this color before.
I can imagine. So that's how I'm so excited. Already you look pretty. Like what? It's so lovely. Like closer to the camera than everything.
So guys, we are now done with today's look. Let me know down below of what you think about this natural face beat. I love it so much. I don't wanna lie, I feel like I look gorgeous, but you guys let me know of what you think. Anyways, anyhow, please make sure that you do check out my hair online on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this makeup tutorial video. I will see you guys on another video.